CarGurus Financing Review. Pre-Qual loans worth it or dealer trap? Thinking about financing your next car through CarGurus before you click pre-qualify, let's break down what you're really signing up for. Is it a smart move or a dealer trap in disguise? CarGurus partners with lenders like Capital One and Westlake Financial to offer soft credit check pre-qualification. That means no impact on your credit score, real monthly payments shown upfront, and offers valid for 30 days. But here's the catch. Those rates only apply at participating dealerships. So let's get tactical. Here's what works and what does not. So the pros would be it has a soft credit check, multiple lender options, and personalized monthly payments. But among its cons would be the rates only valid at selected dealers, and dealers may push alternate financing. Final rates may change after hard inquiry. Buyers say the pre-qual process is smooth, but some felt pressured to switch lenders once they got to the dealership. And here's where things get murky. Dealers aren't obligated to honor your pre-qual rate. And CarGurus' great deal algorithm is not always aligned with the reality. So is CarGurus financing worth it? Yes, if you treat it like a starting point and not a final offer. Use it to compare real monthly payments and confirm your lender before visiting the dealer. Be ready to walk away if the dealer changes terms.